Hi everyone, good day. I'm Evelyn Abanyo, Sales Manager from Judge Realty Services, your trusted real estate partner in finding your new home and PRC accredited real estate salesperson. Hanap mo ba ay bahay na single attached? Maganda, affordable ang gawa, fully finished turnover, complete amenities para sa buong pamilya, peaceful at 24/7 secured community malapit sa lahat? Welcome to North Orchard Residences located in Barangay Quezio, Santa Maria, Bulacan with 11.5 hectares. Ready na ba kayong mag-house tour? Let's go! Ito ang Florence Model Unit with 3 bedrooms, so toilet and bath with free gate and fence, 2-car garage, 80 square meter lot area and 112 square meter usable lot area. May space pa po sa harap para sa mga halaman nyo. Tara, pasok po tayo. Ito po yung ating spacious living room, dining room, kitchen, laundry area at dirty kitchen at the back. Ito naman na po yung toilet and bath sa baba. Yung stairs po natin na nataka-tiles na rin po. Gamit na lang po ang dadalhin nyo paglipat. Malawak po yung ating hallway. Ito po yung bedroom 1. Bedroom 2. Matataas po yung ceiling ng mga bahay natin dito kaya presko po. At ito naman po yung ating master's bedroom. Toilet and bath sa taas po. 25K reservation lang po, magkakaroon na po kayo ng dream home nyo. At magkakaroon din po kayo ng 450,000 discount sa mga advanced construction units po natin. Available po tayo through bank, Pag-ibig at in-house financing. Assist ko po kayo through the process from tripping, reservation and until the turnover of your home. Message me for more details and tripping schedule. Once again, I'm Evelyn Abanyo, Sales Manager from the Ads Realty Services. Thank you and God bless everyone. Thanks for watching.